It is now week 4 in the Tracie Hunter trial, and the judge in the case says he hopes it will be finished before week 5. But Judge Norbert Nadel also says that hope may be a bit optimistic. Local 12 News reporter Jeff Hirsh has been there every day. He tells us now why it's taking so long. Jeff.
Well, good afternoon, Rob. A lot of this case is about documents, lots and lots of documents which have to be verified and put on the record for the jury to consider as evidence. And that may sound boring, and sometimes it is. But how the jury interprets the meaning of those documents is absolutely critical. Week 4 in the Tracie Hunter trial started out a lot like week 3 ended. The mail was delivered to the courtroom, and Lisa Miller was back on the witness stand. Miller, the first defense witness, was Judge Hunter's case manager. Hunter allegedly backdated court documents, forgery, and tampering with evidence in order to prevent the prosecutor's office from filing appeals on time. But defense lawyer Clyde Bennett introduced dozens of documents, which the witness said either she or other court staffers simply backdated in order to keep records in order, and the judge then just signed them.
Were you trying to corrupt procedures?
No.
You was just doing what you did in the normal course of business, right?
Yes.
What your boss was telling you to do, right?
Yes.
Who's your boss? The case management executive?
Yes.
Bennett said the 2 cases which led to Hunter's indictment were also routine staff backdatings with no sinister purpose. But under cross-examination from Special Prosecutor Scott Croswell, witness Miller said she did not know which documents were legally significant and which were not. The prosecution said Judge Hunter was fully aware that signing certain backdated forms would indeed hurt the prosecution's efforts to appeal the judge's decisions.
Is Judge Hunter a micromanager?
Yes.
Is she involved in every minute detail of what goes on?
Yes.
Would you tell us about that?
Anytime I've had to redo entries constantly.
The witness also said Judge Hunter would often leave the courtroom several hours early, 2 days a week. So obviously we have very conflicting pictures of Judge Hunter for the jury to sort out whenever they get to begin deliberations. Back to you.
Jeff, thanks very much. Backdating records. Judge Hunter is also charged with improper use of a county credit card and using the power of her office to try to prevent her brother from being fired from a job with the county. We'll keep you posted.